Hi guys, today we are going to learn the code of code that we want to give the chance to the user that user have to take the chance, type it the name, name or text or number or password or anything like just like a filling your form in that website after giving you input questions, input options, then the website is going to carry out the your login information like your full name and the password, and then the new page was pop up like a new page was open. So how did it happen? It's like a simple code that is going to present an introduction, like something like some basic form filling in the today we are going to learn that. So for that, I'm just using the same structure that is hello HTML. I'm just changing some minor changes that we're going to something in the board and say cut the same. So that I'm going to change the title to form and hello to form, and the body I'm going to represent a form filling for the user to take action. The give the like a name or text or anything. For that purpose, I'm going to using a tag that is input tag. So for starters, I'm going to use a type that means the text I want to view the text, and then in the text, we're going to shadow something like this was supposed to be only writing your full name, not only numbers, not only like brackets, or not only for anything. This is only for the full name. It's going to be a something like a little lighter color, and that in that name that is going to be printed. So after giving your name, that should be a button, something like a submit or click this number, like your after filling all your details. That's something like some button, like a login, something like a sign up, sign in. That's like some button. So for starters, I'm going to create a button that is that this one, some button called submit. Okay, yeah, I'm going to run it. See the output. Well, this is like some random button, something like after clicking this is giving some link that is going to print it. Something like after giving your name, there is something like my name, something like a song. Some button was pop up and we going to print that output and click it. So this is the introduction. So that's fine. Simple. For for advanced topic, something like this form, I'm going to open another form that is full of information that is having some. I'm previously created some the code that is going to print it, something like a form that was okay. I'm going to open this one. So here we see that how we going to open that up. So Visual Studio Code. So this is the page, the same as the some title, hi, hello HTML for something like some major changes. The title of the page is my web page, and the body form I'm going to give one form. I'm going to introduce that. So in that body part, I'm going to some divisions. According to the divisions, first division is supposed to be like giving your text or name. After another division, I'm going to specify some colors. That's something like four colors. I mean, the first color red, green, the text we're going to print that, blue, other. So then another division, that means I'm going to divide the parts that we are going to print it, the name it as some the website. So I'm going to run it for understanding. So run it. So I'm going to close this one. After this, run it out. Here, bam. So here we can see the output. So I'm going to give him a name, something like Bra, and something like password, something like this one. Okay. Favorite color, red or green or blue or something. I'm going, my favorite color is supposed to be green. The country, yeah. This is the list containing the how which is going to something like I'm from India, so India is supposed to be there. So something like yours present to present you, I use something in Belgium. So some United States. This the this is the box telling me that the list we are going to use that. Yeah, this is I'm entering you and I. Yeah, where in the list containing a where the alphabets containing you and I, that we're going to bring the show the outputs like a you and I, you and I, you and I, you and I. For getting into more details, United States. So United Arab, United Kingdom, United States. Something like I'm going to declaring my state next value, then changes it according to that. So that's giving that. That's two philos. Something this one and this one. For giving a T, that means to change the value according to that. So this technique was supposed to be in this format. So the division, I'm going to give like a list. I'm going to create a list database of something that is containing these countries. What if you had some changes according to that? Something like giving your giving your chance to encounter a CSS file. That means something like this one. So I'm going to open that one. So we are going to here the output such as like open this one, open it, something like a style dot, something here, this one, style dot. Open this one, open with CSS. So what if we had changes some according to the hello world? That means I'm going to give a heading that is the heading supposed to be welcome to my web page. And in that web page, I'm going to write hello. Oh, this is the paragraph of text. The second heading, and then the second heading, and this is to be this is the another paragraph that is this whole. After running it, you are going to see the output of the containing as blue paragraph. So that is run it. First, I'm going to close this one. So here I'm going to run that out. Run it. So this is the code that is going to print it. I'm sorry. For detailed information. So first I'm going to give a style that is going to be the CSS file, the cascaded style sheets. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to input some property that is like color property, radian property, or like something like ID. So first starters, I'm going to give the color to the welcome to my web page. So after something like I'm going to delete this one for explaining later. Okay, okay, that's one. So I'm going to give a color to the welcome to the web page, and then simply stating that this is supposed to be in the heading supposed to be in the only blue color, not only in the center. So after running it, we are going to see there's some change in that. That means the web page of containing the heading is supposed to be only in the not on the center. This is supposed to be only in the after paragraph. That means the starting. So what if you change that into some kind of into the heading supposed to be only center? So for that purpose, I'm going to give a text align property. So text align property, that means the text we're going to align it, it is supposed to be only in the center. So I'm going to give another. That means I'm going to say hello to the viewers. Okay, so I'm going to see the row. Running it. The text supposed to be on the center and so this one. So what if you change the total, allow the paragraph in the sound, all this into only color and all this in the center. What if you change that into something like only something this should be moved, something like this should be moved. The style CSS property should be moved to the body. That means the total body was supposed to be acting like a style sheets. In that body, I'm going to simply say that. Hey, sorry. Yeah, this is it. Okay, run it. See the change. So earlier, this is the text is going to be in the like this is supposed to be only in the background. So we after giving it the body, that means the total body was supposed to be acting like a style. That's why it is only so it's like in this center format, like the textile format is going to print it like a center format in this center. What if you change some into random text like my favorite. Okay, I'm going to run it, see the change according to that. Something like this supposed to be only there. So something that the body the whole body is actually supposed to be in style sheets. That's why you're going to see that also. So for deleting this one, okay, good, deleted. This it has here. Sorry. Thing distance. Okay, see that also. So we are going to see the overall. Only the heading supposed to be only center, and then the paragraphs only supposed to be in the right, left side. So okay, that's it for guys today for signing for learning. I hope you learned something. So this is the time for today's part. Means today we learn the basic the form filling method, and that we are going to be seeing some examples of it. Something like a list. And first thing I'm gonna do is form filling, input your for text, input number and anything. And the next thing, we want to give the chance something like a multiple choice to the user, some selecting your number or anything. And the third one, we are going to give a list according to that list, and the user is supposed to be picking some one country like this one. Yeah, like this one. Something like I'm from like something selecting this one. After selecting, I'm going to name it as something the first one and some name and some password, and the user have to guess that that we are going to give the chance to user pick the number that the user like I'm user now, so I'm going to pick a green. Trade it as sub country I'm here, and this is the name and password. Something like this is the introduction of the web page that we're going to fill that form. So later, so today we've seen some lot of forms. According to that form, the form this is the basic form made. So behind that, the form filling method. Okay, we are learning a form and there's some cascaded, the introduction of cascading and some styles learning today. So thank you for guys today using this. Today is time for the fourth. Base was supposed to be like something like on the I hope so. We going to open. So I hope this is the third code I'm writing. Not am I right? Today is good. Okay. Okay. Today food supposed to be like my favorite one. I'm going to first use it as in my daily routine. That is okay. I'm going to teach the guys today three things. Sorry, mistake. Three things that I do. That means we will have to do. That means that will do tell you who or what you want to consider. You consider as important or lazy person. Lazy. Or something like three things that I will do as important in your life. First thing, that is supposed to be gadget. That means with some the first thing that is supposed to be your first shower. Tell you after you woke up. Next, second thing, your last shower before you wake up, before you sleep. This third one, your schedule, your daily calendar, life calendar. I mean, your daily calendar, your life calendar. So I'm going to explain it right now. So the first 60 minutes of my day are me time. That means that me. I want to do the first thing in the morning, then study. That everyone has to like something like jogging the first thing in the first hour of your life that is supposed to be after the jogging or exercising or your ambition goal, something you're working on it day by day, something you're studying after the first hour, only the first hour, I'm counting. The last hour and the second, the last 20, 60 minutes of my day are family time or anything like your ambition, your goal, or your the destination. That means supposed to be your daily task or your work or your something going on your mind that we're going to tell you in the future. Decide which future do you want. And then the last one, your daily calendar. Some of the things that my calendar has that are super important to me, like after after getting the sleep, in my sleep, I'm going to ask me, what did I to do today to improve my to improve my what did I do in this day and today to improve my anything like intelligence maybe by experience maybe or something like your daily task routine or performance or anything like that. That means these are the first thing you want to proceed your important you like the first hour and the last hour and your daily calendar after that will be for achieve your destination or your goal or your ambition that you are going to achieve in the future. I suppose every person should consider these three things that we in the daily life, because everyone want to be successful. That means everyone has to be successful in your life to beat others to your life. You know that, right? The hater of your the hater of your the hater. That means your hater is supposed to be the pillar you the success of your future. Means you are going to much more learn from your hater than this matter. Okay, that's it for today's guys. I hope you learned something and you gained something today. And just today, tomorrow, we are going to give another application. We're going to see that some application when they building something like a HTML project. That means like giving some images and some arithmetic operations. We'll do that today. Something after getting a website, after creating a website. So we are going to include some basic arithmetic functions like subtraction, addition, multiplication, and this will be on that image. That means this image should be presented, and in that image I'm going to write a code according to that arithmetic operations. So this would be guys signing off. This is